The Trump presidency, and the president certainly not tweeting tonight about the stock market. It is a mess. Yet another big sell-off as fears of a trade war with China intensify. Today's closing numbers all deep in the red. The Dow falling more than 450 points. The Nasdaq down 193. The S&P off about 59. Also not helping the market, the president's ongoing beef with Amazon. Investors not happy about the prospects of a trade war with China, which seems to be in full swing, with China's decision to slap tariffs on American pork, fruit, and 120 types of commodities.
The fear is an escalation. Whether this becomes a trade tit-for-tat conflict, which escalates into a trade war, that would be a terrible thing for each of those economies.
The president also going after tech giant Amazon, repeating his view that the company's practices hurt the post office, though most see the president's attack aimed at Amazon's owner, Jeff Bezos, who also owns the Washington Post, which has had critical coverage of the administration. Amazon ended the day losing more than 5% of its value. That company, along with other tech giants Facebook, Apple, Netflix, and Alphabet, the parent company of Google, lost about $324 billion of their value in just the last 2 weeks.
Democrats have really let them down. It's a shame. And now people are taking advantage of DACA, and that's a shame.
Meantime, the president blaming Democrats for refusing to strike a deal over the so-called Dreamers, tweeting that DACA is dead. But at a roundtable discussion in West Miami-Dade, Senator Marco Rubio and Congressman Carlos Curbelo, both Republicans, said they believe a DACA deal could still happen.
The president has said he's prepared to go well beyond anything anyone thought he would be prepared to do before in exchange for more funding for border security.
For me and for our South Florida community, these young immigrants are a major priority because we know them, because they live amongst us here, because we know how much they contribute to our country, and we want to do right by them.
And a lot of people are coming in because they want to take advantage of DACA, and we're going to have to really see.
But new immigrants cannot take advantage of DACA. Undocumented immigrants are only eligible for protection if they were in the United States and under the age of 31 in June of 2012. And the only reason DACA is hanging in the balance at all is because the president decided to rescind the Obama-era rules that gave the Dreamers protection. 1 month after taking office, the president said he wanted to, quote, deal with DACA with heart.